Let the battle begin here at the Camican Island.
For the team of Gubat. Tukin Salado calling the play. Big pressure by Humo. Nakita na sa Silao. From the shoe.
Then on the shot clock, first ball possession is by the team CM Farm. And the conductor, Kentoy Salado, made the first 2 points here by the CM Farm. Ito na, yung unang atake. And this is an early master Vic for the WB Sophia. Now Concepcion from the post. Concepcion forcing the issue and made the first 3 points for our WB and Sophia, the Golden Hands. The reaching foul by Concepcion. This is a jump back action here in Camigan Island. Mukhang napakaliit ng isla dito sa Camigan, yung mga tao pinagkasya dito sa kanilang gymnasyo here at the sports center ng Katarman. There's another blow here for the WB.
Foul jersey number 95, Humo pushing down. Humo, you have first. Second of the team, WB and Sophia.
4,000 viewers, please. Alam natin, for our last live, Mulog is umabot tayo ng 12,000. Paramihin natin ngayon katulad nung nakaraan. Solid WB, maraming salamat po sa iyo.
Second goal, number 2.
1 minute gone by here in our first quarter. Here now by Todo Homo. Pass to Jorey Napoles. Big Manuel. Eman on the board. Tita Emanuela. 4-2. Sigawan. Hiyawan ang mga tao for that first 2 points ni Eman Calo.
Shot clock 14. Driving window to Salado. Shot clock 10 seconds. Even game. Salado.
Kentoy. Now tap. Center Dre. No. Offensive rebound by the conductor. Spin. Oh, what a move by Kentoy Salado. Here comes Eman Calo. Answering from 3. That was a 2 strong bounce from Eman. 4 all is the score. Here comes now the conductor. Kentoy, third drop. Oh, Kentoy got that offensive ball. For 3, Manggubat. Good. Eman out of his range. Out balance.
Single shot clock 14.
Please continue share the live, everyone. Hindi dapat palampasin itong 4-2 ng dalawang hari ng Panalay. Here in Mindanao. And another nice move by Kentoy Salado. 6-4 is the score. Balik dito sa ating paboritong kupunan. Ito na si Toro Homo. Sherwin. Looks out underneath. Sherwin. Rejected. And there's another blow. Oh, that was the second for Concepcion.
Sherwin Concepcion. Dalawa na second. Third of the team. Substitution. Another sniper Gagdagamon for Sherwin Concepcion. Dalawa na. Third of the team.
Ifo-focus natin itong game na to. Pasensya na po sa mga pabati na muna natin dyan. We will expecting a lot here at the CM Farm and our WB and Sophia Part 2 na talagang seryoso ang magiging labanan. 7:25 on the game block. There's a foul said by the referee na naman para sa WB and Sophia by Vic Manuel.
First warning for team penalty.
And that is the 4th team foul na itatawag ng referee sa WB and Sophia. Pang-apat na yan, samantala wala pa ha. Ito na si Toro Homo, and now Jorey. Pass to Homo, drop to the policeman, double team. Napoles get demolished. 7:08 on the game clock. 4.7 short alive, everyone. Kentoy.
Salado.
Inside top by Jorey Salado. And that is a, oh, and then one said they're an already stopped
Jersey number 87.
basket count. Sana naman mamaya ha. Pag magkaroon ng go for goal, ganun din sa WBN Sophia. I guess that is an already stop.
Team penalty.
But referee said that is a basket. 8-4 is the score. 6:52.
8 against 4. Bonus shots for Maestre. 1 point. 9 against 4. Good start.
5-4 is the score. Toro Homo. 6:48. Homo. Pass to Gab Dagangon. Now post. Check ball.
2 against 2. Dave Banana.
Dave Arana. And Magubad get the basket and we must
Early timeout for WBN Sophia.
get the timeout here by the WB. 11-4, 7 now by the CM Farm. 6:33 to play. Masyado pang maaga. Sabi ng mga solid fans natin here at the WB. Paramihin natin ang mga nanonood. Shout out to all share our live for the Sport 2 here at the Katarman Camiguin.
For the second time for the championship game. Okay, back to the ball game. Oh, marang first na pagkanig din sa WB Sophia. Katok dito sa Salay. Under head coach Taro. Naglato third place ang CM Ford. Back to the ball game.
And dito na shoutout dyan kay Meta new update
7 against 4.
para magbigay ng mga detalye na nangyayari. 6:25 on the game clock. Still an early moment here for the Sport 2 game. Zigzag by the policeman. No good. Back now for the CM. De Verana.
Sana na holding the play.
Now Kintoy. 15 shot clock.
10 seconds. Salado.
10 down.
One-hander.
Yeah.
Maestre.
And Maestra get made 2 for that one-hander. 34 score. Shout out to Ogdeson, Visayas, Mindanao. 9 points. Hesse, head fake, drive. Emanuela. No for that one-man move.
Getting a bump. About.
There's another blow. And now, if you notice here, at the first quarter, we have now a 5 fouls for the WB. Samantalang wala pa for the CM Farm.
Humo and the Poets.
Sunod-sunod na mga prito para dyan sa ating paborito. 5:35 remaining.
Boy Salado. First we go on point for Kintoy Salado.
5K viewers, shout out to all. Maaga pa dito sa Camiguin.
Two substitution. Kintoy Mejares for.
We were still at the beginning. Here at the Camiguin, 5:35. 5K viewers, thank you very much. Please continue share the live. Marcelino, pass to Vic Manuel.
Big Manuel, pulls up against Valdez.
Now, the body post. At ito sa wakas na. Kuha na yung unang foul natin.
Mga bigating players sa PBA dati. Foul number
And now,
100, Victor
Vic Manuel get the first whistle here at the first quarter. Ginigiba. Etong si Ginto. Eto, Ginto na ha. Yung ginigiba ni Vic Manuel.
Si Marcelino inbound.
The screen. Now Marcelino, Twins,
10 seconds.
is now on the floor for the WB. Marcelino push and missed that corner.
June Lanza getting away. The pass to Matt Flores.
Mark Flores now to Ginto.
That's the shoot.
Mejares for 3.
Kintoy Mejares.
Kentoy Mejares made 3. WB is stuck at 4. We need to shoot here by Twins. 4:51. The Marcelino brothers. Pass to Timao. Now Vic Manuel. Vic
Manuel, shot clock, 8.
on the board. Missed the shot.
Jim Manson, shot clock 14. 10.
10 shot clock.
Sable, shot clock 5.
Shot clock 5 good. Pasol will in. A timeout for the CM Farm.
Official running score 18 against 4. 4 minutes 18.
And
Shot clock 5 seconds. 5 seconds shot clock. Inline inbound for Jim Manza. What would be the play?
and that is another coincidence. 4 and 18 on the clock. 4:18 is the score, 5 on the shot clock, and that was a 5 seconds violation. Nagkatugma-tugma lahat yung play na yon.
Timaho getting a pick.
Timaho, crossover. Mr. Suave, step back. Oh, miscommunication. But Timaho will save back. Hassel, saved by Timaho. Timaho tried to get that ball away. Miss. Timaho, one more. But still miss.
Mihalis in the rebound.
Loses the ladder. Behind back pass. And one Copper goal. And this now.
JD Marcelino.
This is now the time by the WBN Sophia na palakpakan sila ng mga nandito
Pushing down with its first
sa Katarman, Camiguin. Grabe.
substitution.
Umiyaw ang mga tao for the WB for that basket. 3:46 on the game clock. Agbong now will in. And JB Marcelino will go on the line to get the bonus.
Bonus shots for JD Marcelino.
And that is an N1 complete. Nagka-momentum na tayo para dyan sa ating W for that N1. Tingnan natin magtuloy-tuloy. Number 10 pa sa all for 3. So that was a way off the mark, and this time WB have a chance to down the lead into single digit point leads. A points lead, 3:37 on the game clock. Here it comes now by JC Marcelino.
JC Marcelino.
JC crossover. JC on the move! Miss! Brings out, sayang naman. 3:35 on the game clock now, number 10.
To Mihalis.
Mijares.
For Matt Flores.
Mark Flores takes spin. But get that hook. Nakalusot. Back 13. CM Marcelino. Pass to Dagagon. And breaks out back. Tita Riba to the rescue. Riba. Ugsang for the Tifanen. 29.
Mihalis
That
to
is
Agbong.
only an 11. Masyadong maaga pa. Manso. For Dre. No rebound. By Agbong. Nice check ball. And there's a foul by Agbong. 2:40 remaining.
Foul jersey number 14, PJ Agbong. Illegal use of hands, substitution. 13 foul, CM.
5.6. 2 and 40 on the game clock. That is only an 11. And another chance for our favorite team, the WBN Sophia, to down this game into single-digit points. Now Marvin Hayes,
Marvin Hayes against
also
the
now
foul.
on the floor with the Twins.
To JB.
JB attacking, right, and that was our arm lock contact. Rather,
Foul number
13
26,
foul.
Jim Manza. Illegal use of hands first. Warning for team penalty, CM Farm.
Our arm block,
Shot clock,
an arm block
14
contact,
seconds.
warning for penalty. Tingnan natin. Kung maibaba na ito sa single digit ng ating paboritong kupunan.
To JC.
Now the Twins.
Shot
Marcelino.
clock, 10 seconds.
Now the ball screen. Crossover by JC with that ball away. No. Tap by Hayes now by Deo.
That's the shoot.
Timao recover. 10 on the shot clock.
Timao.
Deo zigzag. That's a turnover.
Turnover.
Almost 6,000 viewers in our live. Please continue follow and share this live.
Reverse. EJ Abdul.
EJ Agbong under 2 here in the Perks. Yeah, bulldozer. Marcelino. Behind back JB. Walong tawag.
A steal.
145.
Jim Manso step back.
Manso step back.
Back.
Chase rebound to JB. Ito na takbuhan ng Twins. Here comes now by Hayes. Pass to JB. There's a foul now. His second by Agbong. And this is the time for the WB
Foul
to take
EJ Abdul. Illegal contact to the hands with the second team penalty.
to take a score
Penalty.
on the free throw. 133. Doon pa lang tayo nag-penalty. 22-9 is the score. And JB Marcelino will go for 2 free throws. First is made. Sorry for the delaying score on your screen. Siguro sa signals na po yan pero nagiging accurate tayo
Substitution.
dito sa ating venue here at the Katarman Gym at Camiguin Island. 133. That is only an 11 point. 22-11.
33. Mejas, center bay.
Yaris.
JC in the
That's the
rebound.
top. Now chance once again, ladies and gentlemen.
JC.
Dito na makukuha ba na maibaba ang sa isang digit na kalamangan but Ugsang missed that shot. Flores behind back and that's an only out of his hands by Flores. 106.
15.
The 5th time attack by WB to make it down kasi kapag naibaba nila to sa single digit mas maganda
Marvin Hayes pulls up.
nang simula ng pangalawang quarter. Dive on the ball. The same
Shot clock.
same ball pa rin tayo. 9 remaining on the shot clock. 9 seconds. 22-11 is the score.
Female inbound to Marvin Hayes.
Marvin Hayes.
5
5 seconds from the long three. JB.
Rebound for James Tempra. 37 seconds.
37 seconds remaining. James Tempra, now Flores.
Shot clock 14. Pasal to Manza. 30 seconds. Shot clock 10 seconds.
10 seconds on the shot clock.
Shot clock 5 on the shot clock. Back the foul. 22 seconds remaining time. Foul number 21. Rem Oksang pushing foul. Oksang first.
That's another foul.
2 shots for Jun Manza.
Ayan, pasensya na po, mahirap sa bunutan yung mga referee natin dito. Katulad ni Kuya Marvin Hayes, mga upaw. Kita nyo naman yung post ni Eman Calo. Talagang mga upaw, hirap sa bunutin din ng isa.
Shot clock is dead. 24-11.
24-11, 13 back. Now last shot. Marcelino.
JC Marcelino being pressured by Mejas. Shot clock.
Isolation.
10 seconds remaining time.
And there's a hand check over there. And one. Basket by JC.
Hard fire tayo. Basket in one.
And one.
Number 13.
By JC Marcelino.
Inside 13. Jintoy Mijares first. 6 seconds remaining time.
Talagang kapag yung ating WB, maski sa ang pumunta, saan man sulok ng Mindanao, grabe ang sigawan, yung pagtanggap. Ay sabi nga, kung sino pa yung dayo, sila yung hinihayawan o sinisigawan. Sinusuportahan sa madaling salita. And of the first quarter, that is a not bad. That is an 11 points, 24-13. To be and Sophia, 24-13.
Marcelino calling the play, JV. Shot clock, 14 seconds, getting a pick.
Oksang from three. Missed that.
The rebound.
Attempt for the second quarter first by WB.
Jim Mansell, team and game. Shot clock, 12 seconds. Jim Mansell getting above. One-hander, Jim Mansell.
Jun Manso made the first 2 points here in the second quarter.
Concepcion pulls out bars. Malak, Kabek.
Sang out.
That's out. Jim Mansell, shot clock for D. Getting a pick. One-hander.
Manso. Oh. There is a foul set by the referee. And the referee is on the opposite side. He is on the center.
Foul number 21, pushing foul, Raymond Sang.
And the trail center na malapit sa kanya, yung opposite side na tinatawag na off the ball area, eh nakita pa. So an offensive.
Rick Marvin Hayes.
And that was the second by Ugsang 9:02.
Substitution, Dave Arana.
Okay.
For Tintoy ni Anas. Shot clock, 14 seconds. Sa ilalim, masaon sa
That's the shot, rebound by Marcelino. Hinanap kaagad yung kanyang, ang katuglong ng kanyang pusod. Marcelino, bounce to Jore post. There's an already foul. For mismatch. That is a nice post by the policeman Jore.
Illegal use of hand, substitution. Jim Mansell second. First rebound. Substitution, Maestro.
5.5 viewers. Kanina umabot na tayo ng 6,000. Nasa na yung mga ibang taga
Shots for Napolas.
Luzon and Visayas, Mindanao at lalong-lalo na yung mga nanay na nasa mga ibang bansa para suportahan ang inyong paboritong kupunan. Please continue share the live.
First recommence.
And split by Jore Napoles.
Split preacher.
Kaya nga yung mga off the ball talagang sa opposite side nakita pa po. 26-14 and that is an only 12-point lead. 8:35 remaining. Number 20, that is an illegal pick. Yes. Offensive foul.
Jersey number 1 moving pick.
Oh, sana wala na pong masyadong matagal na paliwanag dyan. That was an offensive. Ang daming tawag kanina sa WB pero walang nag-stop ng matagal sa game. Ayan na, ready. O yan na. Thank you Coach Emon Macaranas. Huwag i-entertain, wala naman tayong pagkakataon na mag-clarify. That was a judgment call. Ayan, thank you Coach Emon Macaranas. That was foul, holding. Nagkakaroon ng disadvantage, mahirap gumalaw yung kupunan ng non-WB sa depensang ginagawa ng CM Farm. Sabi dito ng ating Coach Emon Macaranas, tama po yun. 8:26 on the game clock, 26-14. Now crossover, Mans or rather Marcelino. Napoles talagang naghahanap ng mismatch na mahuhuli itong ating the policeman, Jore Napoles. Now that is only 10 ball pick by Tempra. Pass to Kentoy.
Shot clock, 12 seconds.
Kentoy
Napasa ilalim pa.
inside. Nice close D. And the ball will out. Well, back from the WB Sophia.
Turnover. WB and Sophia basketball.
Six minutes on, rather 7 and 50 on the game clock.
To the Bolas against the smaller.
Jory, another fine mismatch talaga naman. The policeman.
Final CM Farm.
Etong si Jory Napoles ang policeman, pero ang CM Farm ang napatawag ng wangwang ng busina. Timeout. Now score is 26-18. Dow was only down into single digit points. 7:40 lamang na lang ng 8 ang CM Farm.
CM Farm, WB Sophia may isa pa. 26-18. 7 minutes and 42. Back to the ball game.
Thank you very much sa mga solid fans Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Shoutout sa aking mga kalugar sa Luzon at Pampanga na kahit nanonood, nagkakainuman sa baha, may alipunga na sa paa. Shoutout dyan sa mga tropang Maindredos ng San Juan, Boss Ivan Ocampo. 7:38. 26-18.
Bradley Quinto, shot clock 14. Ray
Suerte. That was a nice play for that timeout. Derek,
Pamatay sunog, center grade. 29.
they get that clutch 3. 7:20 on the game clock.
JC Marcelino against Dave Alana.
Kick out. The golden hands. Bang! Bang! Heto na. The golden hands. Nagparamdam na. Sabi ng Barker dyan sa baba. Ang ating golden hands.
29 against 21. Walo. Bradley Quinto.
Bedwin Quinto.
Shot clock 10.
To Kentoy.
Salado. Getting a break.
Green.
Shot clock 5.
15 and out. It's good for Kentoy.
Kentoy Salado. Balik sa 10. JC getting a break. Against Maestre.
Marcelino.
To Napoles.
Napoles. Another attacking the middle.
Napoles.
There's a foul. There's a foul. Jory Napoles. Ito na naman. Siya na naman yung policeman, pero siya yung naposasan, kaya di nakagalaw. Ito si Jory Napoles, nakakuha ng foul.
Sige lang. Sorry, Dave Arana. Correction. Arana first.
Shoutout from the Bacolod. Shoutout po sa mga taga Bacolod. Sakuragi, Santillan, Tibereco.
Nobleza is in. Then the shoot.
6:20, 10 on the game. Shot clock.
Bukala.
Emancalo.
Napasa.
Poles, inside. The policeman, apat ang kalaban.
Dave Arana. Holding the blade. Big pressure by Sangon. Abao.
Foul by Kid. 6:02 remaining.
Number 43, Sangon. Second team foul. Shot clock is at 14.
Shout out Boss Tyron Paul Weber. Thank you very much po. 31-21, 10 points.
Maestre.
Magandang
Salado.
event ang inahatid ng WBN Sophia dito para sa inyong lahat. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. 3-point shots. Walang problema. Masyado pang maaga. 5:48. That is 13. Nandiyan na kanina yan.
34-21.
In every transition, sinusuboy ba yan? Tahimik na naman yung madla dito. Calo, pass to Sherwin. Puts it up. That's miss.
Salado. Hesitation. To Arana. Sabek.
Go!
Abao. 2 shots. Foul number 15, Napoles. Illegal use of hands.
Para matuwa lang tayo, ano? Umaapaw yung tawag ng refereeing upaw. 5:24. Third for 21.
Point for Dave Arana. Basket up, reserve. Super this up. Got the gallon for...
Ito na. Mukhang makakasapaw na tayo dahil palitan ng mga upaw. Skitsong Wad and Gab Dagangon, nagkapalitan tayo ng mga upaw. 5:20.
Nobleza calling the play to Napoles. 14 to shoot. Calo, shot clock 10.
Anticipated.
A steal.
Ayan na naman yung tawag.
Foul.
Penalty na. Hindi pa. Warning for penalty. 36-21, 5:06.
First. Warning for team penalty. WBN Sevilla. Substitution, Timaho for Emon Calo. Maestre.
5 minutes.
One-hander.
Third drop. And the ball will stay for CM. Wala tayong magagawa dyan. Arrow ball possession. Arrow point from the CM Farm. Fresh 14 on the shot clock. Only 14 on the shot clock.
Remaining time, 5 minutes and 1.
Sana naman, ma-fresh nila ng 14 yung shot clock, please.
Shot
14.
clock, 18 seconds.
Nag-retain. Bahala kayo dyan. 14, maaagaw naman. Sa ilalim. Ay! There's a foul. And again.
Foul, jersey number 7, holding foul.
A foul.
Naman,
Penalty.
first team penalty for WBN Sevilla. 2 shots for Bradwin Quinto.
Quinto first throw is good. 37-21. $6K viewers.
Second way to miss.
Thank you very much. Please continue. Share this live and follow us. 16 points na. Abante ng CM. Here comes now point guard. 3-point shots. Bang!
Hooray! Nobleza.
That is a 3 by Nobleza. The point guard.
May medic sa'yo. Yellow ice.
Kentoy fell down.
Ay, ipagpaglalanigan.
Natampilok yata. And
The pride of Kamamanan, CDO. Substitution, Salado out.
Kentoy out.
Raymart Escobedo in. Warning jersey number 3, Salado.
And that is a warning for Kentoy Salado.
Almost a steal, Raymart Escobedo.
For a technical balik dito. Escobedo replacing Kentoy.
Escobedo calling the play. To Maestre. Wants to shoot. Maestre to Ray Suerte. Shot clock, 8 seconds to the game.
No basket. No basket on the
No
floor.
basket.
But there's a foul.
Number 22.
Number 24. They were going on the line. Penalty. 2 free throw shot. No basket, but there's a 2 free throws for the penalty. 4:27 remaining.
Team penalty.
6.2 viewers. Salamat po ng marami. Dumarami talaga yung mga supporters, mga solid fans natin, WB and Sofia.
Vic Manuel for Sherwin Concepcion.
Vic Manuel, we're back for the WB.
With shots number 29, Maestre.
Huwag naman po sanang gano'n na
1 point.
kahit papaano wala namang mapilayan sa bawat isa. Yan. Pare-parehong basketball fans tayo. And of course, we must respect, mas maganda na may ligtas na matapos dito
3 for 2 for SO. In and out.
na walang mapilayan. At eto,
3-2.
gumaganda lang
38-24.
ang excitement at basketball sa buong Pilipinas.
Vic Manuel against
Yan ang ginagawa ng WB and Sofia para sa lahat. Here comes the muscle man, the classic Vic Manuel pose.
penalty.
Ito na naman siya, ang ating master Vic Manuel. Get a contact.
Dalawa na second team penalty. 3 shots for the national man, Vic Manuel.
One of our vision by Boss Roel Weber is to help
Basket sub reserve.
makatulong at makapagkawang gawa noong mga ginagawa pa ninyo nung una. At syempre, yung maglaro ng basketball, mag-adventure, mapasaya yung tao na walang masasaktan syempre. Yan, kaya naman minamahal tayo ng tao, ano po.
Number 15, Apolis. Foul.
At isa,
Apolis third.
maniwala man o hindi ang iba,
Both teams.
ang WB ay isa sa bumubuhay
Substitution.
sa basketball ng bansa natin, kaya patuloy na kinakilala. Ayan, lumalaganap ang basketball, sumisigla para sa ating lahat. Maski pa yung mga nanay, kita nyo sabi nga nung
3
iba,
shots, number 29, Maestre.
kala mo may nalalaman yung mga nanay sa basketball, dun kayo matuwa. Kahit wala silang nalalaman, nanonood at sumusuporta na sila sa basketball dahil sa WB and Sofia. Nakakatuwa, nakakataba ng puso yan. 39-25 is the score.
Ang tubig, ma'am. Maestre. 3 for 2. Noblesa. To Timao. Balik kay Noblesa.
4 minutes on the game clock. Dagangon, bounce, strong, Noblesa fire, in and out, inilabas pa, inuluwa.
Escobedo.
Scooby-Doo, still by the point guard, accelerate, Energizer, drop pass, twist, Noblesa fade away, in and out, brings out, rebound, Energizer, bagsak, here now, for Scooby-Doo, Arana 328, the game is not finished, isn't finished, 320, Noblesa still on the second quarter, Vic Manuel, is the way of the mark for Vic.
3 minutes in close. Ray Suerte. On a drive. Wala. Tabek. Ray Marquez. Escobedo.
Nice stop by Noblesa. Here comes now by the Energizer. Nice pass.
A foul. But a penalty.
Now the penalty, 2 free throws by Energizer.
Blocking foul. Maestre first. Team penalty. 2 shots for the Energizer. A sub. Nel Tolentino. First free short.
Oh, kita nyo na? Pati error ng WB and Sofia, napapasaya pa yung iba. Anemic si Energizer, pero napasaya yung iba. Binawi, oh.
Second window. Energizer set.
Tuwang-tuwa yung mga tao. 2:58.
43-26. 17-point moving each at home.
AJ Agbong.
Getting a back. Pull up Jay. Balas the back.
Rebound by Timao, Deo. Pass to Master Vic. Crossover, Vic Manuel. Get foul.
Wala kay second motion.
6.5 tayo. Tumataas yung rating.
Blocking foul.
Paki-share pa po. 2:39 remaining.
Substitution.
43-26.
Is in.
Ay, patuloy pa rin tayo nagtitiwala dito sa ating mga pambato. First throw is off.
First beat of this.
This is first half.
One point substitution. Jindoy Mejares for Ray Suerte.
2 minutes and 39 and this is still part by the first half. First half pa lamang po tayo. Escobedo
EJ
to Agbong.
One-hander Mejares Sablay.
There's a foul penalty, 2 free throws.
Holding foul. Jersey number 7, Gab Dagamon holding foul. Team penalty. Dagamon second.
Si Dagangon ang natawagan.
Substitution.
Substitution. Gab Dagangon
For Gab Dagamon.
will out. Sabi dito ng isang bata, papasok daw si Kuya Marvin Hayes. Siya daw si Kobe Bryant. Kobe
Three
Bryant.
shots for James Tempra.
Tempra missed the first free throw. Mamaya po pag may pagkakataon siya, shoutout natin yung mga solid fans natin dyan kahit pa paano. 2 and 25 on the first half.
Free throw for James Tempra. 44-27.
Marcelino.
Brother JC.
Pass to JC.
On that.
JC drive. Hand time. No! And the foul.
Sumabit na foul. Foul, jersey number 14, EJ Agbong. Apat na. Warning for excluded player. Team penalty, both teams. 3 shots for Marvin Hayes.
First is good by
1 point for Marvin Hayes.
Marvin Hayes. Siya daw ngayon ay si Kobe Bryant. Binuhay mula sa katauhan nitong ni Kuya Marvin Hayes. 2:07 remaining.
Second window supply.
There's the second.
Matt Flores in the rebound.
From that that is 16 points. Still part of the first half. 2 minutes pa ang natitira. Marami pang pwede mangyari dito sa part 2 na to.
Raymond Escobedo pass.
And that's Scooby-Doo 3. Here comes Marcelino. JB bump. Pass to
Marvin Hayes.
Marvin Hayes. Bounce pass
JB.
to Marcelino. Bump. Marvin Hayes for 3. Bounce from 1:35 remaining.
Matt Flores to DJ Agbong.
Ibagat ng ginagawa dito ng Energizer. Pagbantay kay Flores.
Jindoy Mejares, nice shot. James Tempra.
Missed the shot. Vic Manuel push now to Marcelino Twins.
Marcelino again.
Recover.
JB.
Pass to Marvin Hayes. Hayes drive. No.
Inamalas si WB at Subaya. 1 minute and 3.
1 minute on the game clock.
Escobedo, two-man game. Bars for Gray. Wala. EJ Agbong, nice pass. Jay.
Now it's a 21:50 remaining.
50 seconds. It's a 9-point ball game. JC Marcelino.
15 seconds.
Calling the play. Getting a big shot clock man.
Marcelino.
JC. Shot clock 5 seconds.
JC for 3. Bang!
JC
Marcelino
Hooray!
for a fire extinguisher. 3-point shots. Pamatay sunog.
EJ Agbong. Calling the play. 10 seconds. EJ Agbong again. Marvin Hayes.
Abong. AJ.
6 seconds.
Bad pass is still by the Energizer. Push now by to the Marcelino drive. Yes! That's a basket. Before the buzzer. Sigawan pa rin at palakpakan ng mga crowd. Nagsisimula pa lang tayo and this is only the beginning. Here the Camiguin, said by the people here at the Mindanao. Okay, we are now on the second half position na po. Kanina nag-mute tayo dahil alam nyo naman, ang kinakatakutan natin ay si copyright. Hindi si meta update, si copyright. Ready for the second half. Dito pa lang magsisimula, sabi ng WB, ang beginning ng Camiguin. The twin Marcelino first made the 2 points by the WB.
49-35, Ray Martinez Lumino to Bradley Indo.
Okay po. Madilim medyo dito sa venue natin. Talagang isla. Pure na isla dito sa Camiguin. Oh! Oh! There's an already foul. Uh-oh!
Down jersey number 11, JC Marcelino.
Paldo mga vlogger for that highlights. May foul na before the basket.
Versus the team.
9:29. Offensive rebound. Traveling.
Traveling violation.
That is only 16 points. Still have a 2 full quarter.
Marcelino JC against Mejares.
Crossover by JC. Nakalusot. What an elevation. Lumipad. Etong si JC. Lumilipad.
Marcelino twins.
Talaga yung super twins.
21-37. Bradley Ginto pulls up. Pull up Shea. Malakas.
Missed the shot. And here now, foul by number 1.
Foul, jersey number 1, James Tempra holding foul. James Tempra second. First team down. Substitution.
The Marcelino twins. The Golden Hands.
51-37.
Marvin Ace together with Ribs Ugsang. What a lineup here. Nag-e-expect tayo dito sa lineup na to na maganda ang gagawin nila. Here comes the isolation. Drop pass. Heto na, but the third drop. Missed by Sherwin.
Ganda sana ng baksa. Ray Suerte. Shot clock for D.
10 seconds remaining on the shot clock.
Ray Suerte. To Maestre.
Maestre miss.
Rebound JD.
Also our player. Pati yung mga player dito nakakaramdam ng pressure. Hindi lang tayo. Talagang sobrang napaka-excitement ng laban dito. The isolation. JC have a contact now. He will go for the line. Oh, for the line.
To
take 2 free throws. And a chance for the WB and Sophia to down the lead. At least
2 shots. Jersey number
13
11.
points.
JC Marcelino.
And ina-adjust po natin yung light natin dahil madilim dito sa Camiguin. Sabi ni Bisaya Mix Vlog, wala tayong magagawa. Pati yung signal natin, ginawan lang ng paraan talaga ni Bisaya. Ang ginawa po niya, maaga pa, alas 12 pa pumunta na nag-set up na ng wifi para wala ng ibang makakonekta. Ganyan po namin kayo kamahal. Ganyan po namin kayo kamahal, sabi ni Bisaya, alas 12 pa. Nag-set up na ng wifi. 51-39 is the score. 2 minutes gone by. That is only 12 points. 10 down on the shot clock. Magandang lineup ang nasa loob dito ng WB. Kick out. Suerte. Minalas. Pero sinuwerte, yung isa, syempre, si Ray Suerte, minalas yung ginto. Hindi ka pa naman swertihin pag nakapulot ka ng ginto. May bagong player, si Ginto. Sinuwerte. 7 and 30. 39-53.
Against Ray Suerte. Shot clock 10.
Oh, it's a miscommunication.
Manzo stop and bars.
And the tray.
Jim Manzo. 56-39. Balik sa 17. Yung sila sana kanina. JV, Tim and Game. Shot clock for D.
Ugsang for three.
In and out.
Tres. Inaalat sa mga tres.
Maestro the rebound to Jim Manzo. Getting the pick. Bars for three. Back to back.
Three. Back to back for Manzo.
Napasigaw and flex sa muscle si Jim Manzo.
Dali will back at 20. 12 na lang kanina. JB Marcelino.
Shot clock 12.
JB drive attack. Now what a halftime. Knock the door for two.
JB Marcelino.
We were expecting Jorey
59-44.
now on the floor for this. Playoff and together with Amon Callo, 59-41. That is only an 18. 3. No.
Wala malakas.
Rebound by JC. Crushing it. The Super Twins. Oh! Nagalangan. Etong si
6
JB.
minutes.
Share the live,
5 minutes to
everyone.
53. Shot clock.
5 on the shot clock. And then,
Out of bounds.
a nice, or rather that is a miscommunication. And this is a nice time for Jorey and Eman na pahingayin yung iba. Together Vic Manuel.
5 minutes and 47 third quarter, 59-41. 18-point ball game.
Callo. Pass to Jorey. 9. Pick and roll. But miss. Draggy shot by Jorey.
Ray Suerte.
It's an illegal pick. Offensive foul.
Offensive foul, moving pick.
That was a moving pick.
Maestre. Maestre, second. Third team foul.
$18 points.
5 minutes and 30. Kabaligtaran sa Damulog. Yung CM Farm.
Vic Manuel on the scoop. Jorey and whoa, no foul.
5 minutes and 10.
5:10 remaining.
Suerte. Tumanggubat, plays off.
That's a foul for Eman.
Foul number 19, blocking foul, Eman Gallo. Substitution, Eman Gallo, second. Second of the team, Double B and Subea.
Second of the team foul. 5:06.
Warning number 15, Apolis, for resentment of a call.
And natural, itong si the policeman ang magre-reklamo
Shot clock, 15 seconds.
for a resentment to a call. Dahil sabi niya nga walang tawag doon.
Inlining
Napasigaw din tayo doon na medyo nakakita tayo ng sikip ng tawag. And now, 3-point shots.
In and out. WB and Subea basketball. 5 minutes.
Here comes Eman Callo. Another pick and roll. Nahuli. Magubat got the basket. Now back at 20. Eman Callo.
Eman Gallo getting a break. Bounce
Eman
back.
pass to Vic Manuel.
Vic Manuel.
Drive by the muscle man.
Off the board.
What a slice by the muscle man. At nagtatrabaho talaga itong si Vic Manuel. Look at that, the slices. 4:30 on the game clock.
James Tembla. Shot clock 12. Dimensa. 8. Dimengay. 5 to shoot. Up. Offensive
That was an offensive foul. At eto na si
Jersey number 4,
Homo.
Ray Suerte. Relax mo, relax.
mga referee. Tignan nyo, may away na. Wala pang referee nandun. Naku po. Part of our seminar kapag may offensive foul, may mga commotion, huwag iiwan na magkainitan. Binigyan. Emma,
Galo. Malakas.
that was the first shot.
Foul jersey number 19, Eman Galo. Eman Galo, tatlo na third. 13 now.
Still have a 4:02 on the game clock. That is an 18 points. Dito pa rin tayo sa Katarman, Camiguin. Short rebound by Wallace.
3 minutes and 15.
Pass to Michael Homo. Here comes Master Vic Manuel. Vic Manuel got a contact. Penalty. Vic Manuel on the line. 2 free throws.
Foul up. Jersey number 19. Up 29. Maestre. Substitution penalty. Maestre.
Tinamaan po kasi yung Homo kanina ng dalawang second motion. Ano po? Syempre, mahal natin yung mga players natin na yan. Verso is good. 3 and 44.
Wala pa isa. Nakatag na. First free to 1 point for Vic Manuel.
2 out of 2.
Kintoy Salado for
61-45. 3:44.
Manuel, 61-45. James Tendra. Big pressure.
It's another offensive foul, and that what we talking about. Ayan na. Our Toro Homo. Di baling masaktan na. Binibigyan talaga si Homo Di ba? Yan po yung sinasabi natin na medyo pag may komosyon na, yung referee lumapit na ng konti para hindi na mapangalawan pa si Homo. Tanggap na namin na talagang sinasaktan si Homo. Okay na makaisa, wag lang pangalawa. Ayan, iawat nyo na po. Kawawa naman.
Homo.
3 and 30.
To Big Manuel against Maestre.
Master Vic Manuel with the classic mob. Time out for the CM Farm.
Final CM Farm.
The classic pose.
Vintage Big Manuel.
The vintage Spin Muscleman. The vintage. Dyan nanonood pa rin at nakikisaya dito sa Mindanao. 3 and 18 to play.
Jim Mansa. Big pressure by awarding number 24, Timaho, for flopping. Kintoy Salado. Shake and bake, getting a big. To Arana. Shot clock. 10 seconds. Center tray. Short.
Nice defense by Homo. 3 minutes exactly. Eman Calo for 3. Yeah! Good rebound by Timao. Inside, Mr. Swabe! Nagpagpag ng bigote. Itong si Deo Timao. Mr. Swabe. Lead now down 12. Here we go. Lumalapit na WB. 2:38 remaining.
Homo. Getting a big shot clock then. Mansa.
10 down shot clock.
For Kintoy. 5 to shoot.
5 shot clock.
Arana.
Long 3. That was missed. And rebound by Ture. Napoles pass to Eman Calo. Calo take good what to drive. Break by Deo. Eman! Bang! Bang! Oh! Diyawan ang tao dito sa Camiguin Island. The lead will count into 9. 2 minutes warning for breaking a foul.
Lilian Sobea.
Warning for breaking a foul. 10 remaining. On the shot clock, nice defense. Almost still. Double team. Backed up. Nice screen. On the corner. Oh!
Relax lang dua.
Whew. What a game here at the Camiguin. The part 2 by the hari ng mga panalay.
Basket. Foul number 95, Humo.
Grabe.
CM Farm Basketball.
Buhay na buhay ang Ligang Mindanao at Panalay. Ito'y pinaghalong PBA, MPBL, UAAP, and NCAA.
Sub.
Buhay na buhay ang basketball sa mga solid fans ng WBN Sophia.
Wait lang.
Relax na mo ha, relax na. Mogya po ni sila sa bulo.
Ayun lang.
Pati sa mga nasa bahay na papasigaw, supporting WB.
Ayun sa. Idol, ayun sa.
Oh, wow, shout out Ojula Emmanuel. Shout out my guy, Eman Ojula. Score is 63-52.
Gawin pa nga kay dili mo ko mga manual edit. So, kasi balik na 2 minutes 34 para na mo. We stop exactly 1:47. Tables timeout wait lang.
2 and 28 and there's
47 seconds left.
there's a technical timeout. Yung oras gumalaw nga naman. Nag-stop Yan, ayusin. Tama yung paliwanag ng Coach Emon uli dito. And a nice job to our first assistant. Wala ang Boss Rowell. Hindi katulad dun sa Bukidnon na nag-champion siya sa Damulog Nandiyan yung Boss Rowell. Isa sa dahilan yan kung bakit medyo
Isa, wala ka.
meron tayong kahinaan. Kung nandiyan sana yung Boss Rowell, maiibsan lang, maiibsan, mas gaganahan sigurado yung mga player na to 147, 63-52.
Substitution. Remaining time 1 minute and 47 third quarter. 63-52. Inline inbound, Indoy Salado. Alvin Pasao, catch and shoot.
Alvin Pasao missed the three. Here it comes now by Eman Calo. Calo on the three. Offensive rebound. Mr. Suave. Follow up. By Napoles. Oh.
1 minute and
Pangatong
30.
beses. Ang daming nangihinayang dito sa ating crowd. 120.
Shot clock
10 remaining.
Matt Flores. Fuginto. 7 to shoot.
Nice close defense.
Dave Arara, hesitation, fadeaway shot.
The fade miss. Rebound by Vic Manuel.
Big Manuel on the rebound.
Marcelino, pass to Vic. Found a long three. Timao from the offensive ball. Wala pa rin. Vic Amon. One go. Woo.
Mas, Dave Arara.
48 remaining.
Kintoy. On a drive.
That's nice, Judy. $7.4K.
Jersey number
Shout out for this
87.
epic Part 2 game championship by the WB Sophia. Laban dyan sa CM That was an 11:43.
Once again, Big Manuel.
Sayang, naibaba na sana natin.
2 shots for Kentoy.
Sa single digit yung lamang na yan. And a good thing here, Kentoy, sumablay yung una. 63, 52, 43 remaining on the game clock. And that was a 2-match, but there's an offensive rebound. Yun lang.
Dave Arana with a good back. 34 seconds.
Back into 13. Marcelino.
Marcelino.
JB nakawala. Yes, sir. Get the acrobatic by JB Marcelino. Still a chance to down into single for this 18 remaining. Still have a 1 second difference. Shot clock to the game clock.
Salado.
Salado nice. Ugsamdi. Pass to Kentoy. Too narrow on the space on the corner. Set it from the left, and Salado is a no way out fire.
Short.
That was a shot clock. That was a shot clock. Wait, that is a shot clock. Still have a shot clock difference. Anong nangyari doon? Di naman tumama. Oh, ho, ho. What is that scenario? What?
Relax na players, relax na.
Ito na yung sinasabi. There is a shot clock, 2 seconds difference. Oh! Nag-announce yung announcer ng seconds na difference from the shot clock. Tapos binasket pa. Nag-0-0. Nasaan na yung shot clock violation? Ten-second shot clock.
Dave Arana sa ilalan kick out. Pasa all. To Matt Flores. Behind the shield.
Nice check.
Evan Cala.
Here comes Emanuela. Nakawala. Yes, sir. Tita Emanuela.
Evan Cala.
The lead will down at 9.
65-56. It's a 9-point ball game.
15 seconds on the shot clock.
Franklin Ginto to Matt Flores. Shot clock 10. Human game. Franklin Ginto.
Miss by Ginto. Here come once again
Cala to Matt Flores.
Tita Emanuela. Cala the move. Oh, listen by JC. Yan, crowd po ang maingay dito pag WB ang umaarangkada.
Salado getting a pick.
Salado.
Salado nakawala. One-hander.
Nakabukas. Etong si Salado.
Take charge na. Nakalock in si the conductor Salado. JB Marcelino. Calling the play. Shot clock.
Calling
10 seconds.
the play by JB. Isolation. Take drive. Get a foul. Give foul number 1.
Foul,
8:25.
jersey number 55, Matt Flores. Pushing down, Matt Flores second. First team foul. Substitution. Shot clock
Or rather,
reset 14.
8:25 remaining on the fourth quarter. 8:25.
Evan Cala inbound. Shot clock 10.
Nice pass. Big Manuel. Find the mismatch and help.
Big Manuel.
The vintage muscle man.
The veterans take charge. 58,
Down 9.
57. Maestre to Salado. Shot clock for D. Salado for Gray. Malakas.
Ito ay miss. Here it comes down by the Marcelino twins. JC on the attack. Oh, that's a dead up and that's a foul.
Wala ng second motion na foul.
7:53. Sayang na naman yon.
Foul number 38, JB Marcelino. Second, dalawa na. Second team foul. WB and Sabeo substitution. Nanso for Salado. 7 minutes and 53.
Manso. Pass to Maestre.
Ume Harris.
15 shot clock. 10 down.
Center J.
Get the center J.
Short jumper for Bradley Quinto.
That was 10. 7:35 on the game clock.
69-58, balik sa 11. Evan Calo to Vic Manuel. Pass for Day.
For 3 and now Tess! And the three! Bang, bang! Vic Manuel! 69-61!
61.
Hinawan ng mga tao na naman. Now, dinig na dinig ang suporta ng tao sa WB ng malakas na depensa. And now, the Marcelino Twins! Best over sa River Putback, Jimmy! Yes, sir! Oh! The legal down at 6.
69-65.
7 and 10 remaining on the game clock. Grabbing suporta. 7 minutes on the game clock. 10 down shot clock.
Bradley Quinto.
Anim na lang. Maestre. 5 shot clock. Nice defense. The tray. No, patay putike. Shot clock violation. Ganda ng depensa.
1 more second.
Wow, what a crowd here.
Sub.
Paida. Katirman Kamigin.
Evan Calo.
Bosoel Weber nakakataba ng puso.
What a game.
Sabay-sabay na sigaw ang suporta para dumipensa ang paboritong kupunan.
Invitational Basketball Tournament 2026.
6:20.
Bejares.
Not KBR. Jason once again. Again. Rebound by Sharon. Got the jump by the basket. Yes, sir. Oh, grabe. Apat na lang ang laman. Heto na naman ang sigawan. Depensa. 6 minutes.
Benzo against Timaho.
There's a foul. Woo! Pahinga muna tayo, crowd.
Foul number 24, Timaho holding foul. Timaho second. Third team foul.
Pati dito sa nag-iisang isla ng Kamigin, iisang pangalan ng sinisigaw, WB and Sofia.
Osap.
5 and 56 remaining.
Manggugan for
9.3 viewers.
Sideline inbound. Shot clock 14. 14 seconds shot clock.
Once again, here comes Dash Child. Supporting defense.
Holding the play. Manzo getting a bump.
No way out. That's a steal. By Marcelino Twins. Jamie on the move. At the same ball. Woo! 5:44. 69-65. Lumalaban ang paboritong kupunan ng Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao at ng mga nanay na mga nasa ibang bansa. 5:44 remaining.
Shot clock 20 seconds. Timaho.
Now by Marcelino. That block. The cover. There's a foul. There's a foul. Woo.
Foul number 29, Maestro.
This is not a history from the people of the Philippines. This is a legacy from the WB and Sofia. Ito'y isang malaking legacy, Bosoel Weber. WB and Sofia, 69-65. Supporting around in the Philippines.
Sideline inbound.
Pagdating sa Ligang Panalay, WB and Sofia. Ang paboritong kupunan.
JB. Shot clock 14. Big Manuel.
5:35. Vet from 3. That was short by Master Beck. OMG.
69-65. Apat. 5 minutes and 25. Shot clock 14.
Manso. Labang kay Vic Manuel. Manso missed the shot. Rebound by JC Marcelino. Pass to JB. Or rather, this is JC. JC Lord! Yes! And a Cespire! Cespire! Timeout from the CM Farm! Sigawan!
69. Against Mansa.
Exactly 5 minutes to play.
Shot clock 14. Jim Mansa getting a hit. Shot clock 10 seconds.
And on the shot clock.
Mansa.
Manso, ito na naman yung magandang depensa. 5 on the shot clock. No! There's an offensive rebound. Missed the shot, but there's a foul.
Foul, jersey number 11, JC Marcelino. Illegal contact to the hands, dalawa, second. Warning for team penalty, WBN Sevilla. Substitution, Ray Suerte for Maestre.
Ooh, 69 to 67, 2 shots, 4 minutes and 40 seconds remaining.
Number 55, Matt Flores. First free to 1 point for Matt Flores from UP Cebu and MVP caliber. Super G for Matt Flores.
That's a 2 for 2.
Balik sa apat.
That is only 4 points.
71.
4 minutes and 40 remaining. Here in the fourth quarter.
JB Marcelino. Holding the play.
4 and 30.
14 to JC.
10 shot clock. Set up managing
Isolation.
by JC. Isolation. 5 down. 2 seconds. Break from 3. Boom! Missed the shot.
4 minutes and 12. Matt Flores.
Flores.
Shot clock 50.
50 shot clock. 4 minutes on the game clock. Nice check ball. That's a steal by Big Manuel. Now Big Manuel. The vintage pick. Kita nyo.
Pinasabi. Veterans talaga po.
The legendary Vic Manuel.
Illegal use of hand. Ray Suerte.
Almost for a big steal with a basket. Now he'll go on the he'll go on the line for 2 free throws para itikit na naman
Manuel.
ang kanyang ipinaglalabang kubunan. Made the purse.
1 point Vic Manuel.
Napapalabas ng mga tao ang orihinal na Vic Manuel. 2 out of 2.
Vic Manuel. Substitution. Eman Gallo for Timaho. It's a 2-point ball game. Jim Manson.
71-69 is the score. 11 came. Eto, bumalik tayo
Even game.
sa may pinakamataas na viewers. Oh! That was a lucky bounce by Manso. Now 5. 3:35.
JC, human game. Against Manso.
10 seconds.
A spin, Big Manuel.
Now Vic Manuel for 3. Endless.
Raise hand and the rebound.
There's a foul.
Team penalty. Foul number 38, JB Marcelino.
Pasensya na po ha sa mga hindi pa nakarinig nito. This live is WBN Sophia. I am a member of WBN Sophia. Wala po tayong kinakampihan, kundi WBN Sophia, of
Team
course.
penalty for WBN.
3 and 13.
2 shots for Ray Suerte. First free to 1 point. $75-69.
3 minutes and 13 remaining on the game clock here in the fourth quarter. 3 and 13.
Ray Suerte. J4 Balik sa pito. Marcelino.
Now it's a 7 points.
Salo. Against Ray Suerte. Isolation.
Eman Calo.
Calo between the legs.
Pass to Vic Manuel. Vic, the slice. Foul! Inaararo talaga ni Vic Manuel.
Sumabit na naman.
Back on the free throw line. 3 minuto, 1 segundong natitira dito sa huling yugto. May 7 ang CM Farm.
Tatlo na. Warning for team penalty.
Inuulit po natin, Vic Manuel first is good. Nasa Facebook page po tayo ng WBN Sophia. Ang live stream po ay WBN Sophia. Ang commentator po ay WBN Sophia. 2 out of 2.
Napoles for Timao. 76-71. 3 minutes and 1. Jim Manzo.
2:50 on the game clock. That is only 5 points. Ball screen.
Shot clock 10.
10 shot clock.
Suerte, baseline.
Ray Suerte against Eman Calo. Nice challenge by Calo. Switch up. Flores 3 shoot. Oh, get that teardrop.
Yes, baseline.
Almost from the shot clock.
Points.
Now Calo, 2:34. 7 points. Kayang-kaya pa rin for that 3-possession ball game. Eman loses the leader. Oh!
Out of bounds.
Dalawa na lang kanina yan.
78-71, 7-point ball game. 2 minutes and 25. Jim Manzo.
2:20, 14 on the shot clock. Block behind. But Derek over. Flores open. Miss, yes. Now rebound by the Marcelino twins. Eman Calo trying to drive. Contact for a foul. And either that is a foul on the ground or not. We have already on the penalty from the GO teams. 2 minutes and 2 seconds, and Eman Calo will go on the 2 shots to make down this lead at least into 5. 2:02 remaining. Yes, made the first. Tayo ang may pinakamalaking views. 11K, thank you very much.
78-72, 2 minutes and 2. Super 2. 78-73. 5-point ball game. Last 2 minutes.
This is the last 2 minutes. Is being brought to you by WBN Sophia, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao.
Holding the play, shot clock 14. Manzo.
10 remaining. Shot clock.
Bars for play, short.
No 3. That ball bounced out. 1:45 remaining. Only 5. 2 possession ball game. A 3 or 2 possession.
Follow.
Sa tingin ko, kayang-kayang baliktarin pa to ng WBN Sophia.
JB Marcelino getting a pair.
JB to JC.
Shot clock 14.
JC nakakita ng butas. Kick out. Vic Manuel slice. Emanuelo! Bang! Oh! Bang, bang! That's a breakthrough by Eman Calo.
78-76.
Only 2 now. Napatayo na lahat ng tao. Boom!
Shot clock 1 second.
10 seconds
Arana.
on the shot clock. Only 1 possession ball game. Flores, 5 shot clock. Nice defense. Pellets. Rebound by Jory. And there's a whistle for a shot clock violation. O yung oras, sumandar. Ang daming nabawas. Pasensya na po kayo kung pati yung commentate. Boss Chandler Henrich Milan, shoutout po sa'yo. Daming nanonood ngayon. Here comes JB! Tijore! Napoles nakawala! Tabla na! 78 all! Oh! Timeout for the CM! What a nice setup to tie this game! From 20 points, baba na sa wala! Tabla na! Inuulit ko, wala na. Upaw na. Eto na. Kalbo na yung lamang. Upaw na. 78 handlock.
Consume.
1K. Thank you very much.
What a game! Remaining time 56 seconds. Remaining time 56 seconds, fourth and final quarter. Deadlock 78, CM Par, timeout consume. Wala nang timeout yung CM Par.
Shoutout po sa mga taga-Hulita, sa lahat ng mga bawat na napuntahan. Nag-PPM po kayo sa lahat ng mga napuntahan naming mga kaibigan, iba't ibang panig ng Pilipinas. Salamat po. Gusto namin kayong lahat batiin, pero heto na, abangan natin, hawak kamay, buong Pilipinas, WBS Opia na!
50 seconds. Two Lanza. Shot clock for D. Getting a big shot clock.
10 seconds. Shot clock.
Lanza.
Nice defense.
5. Ray Suerte.
4 seconds on the shot clock. Yes, the shot clock lops. That's a shot clock violation. 30 seconds.
24
Hey!
seconds. Shot clock violation.
Now it's a chance for the WB na makalamang na tayo.
Seconds remaining time.
Shout out for the Hulita Rescuer team.
Deadlock 78.
Now sa Deadlock 78, sa unang pagkakataon, pwede na nating matikman ang kalamangan.
Seconds. JC calling the play. Shot clock for D. 20 seconds. JC isolation.
That is only a 7 seconds difference. Isolation, 5 seconds. JC. Yes, that's the top. Yes! Holy Carmen! 10 seconds. Tala natin, lamang ang WB dito. Nice defense. Fine now. Chimaso, master shot. Rebound. Wala, and it is another champion from the WBS Appeal. Oh! Nanaig ang mga pananangin ng mga taga Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Another championship. Back to back. Woo! WBN Sophia, ang bagong hari ng panalay.